Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Bird here. I did something a little different. I made my first ever DIY hand-sewn leather kit, and I even have a discount code for you. So let's get into the unboxing. Super excited for this. All right, let me go ahead and open it up. All right, did I cut the tape? There we go. This is what it looks like. All right, so we have a little brochure from babylonleather.com. That's where you can find them online. Unleash your creativity. There's a QR code. Pretty cool. This is really neat. They also have a Facebook group, so I'm learning along with you today. They have a Facebook group for beginners. Babylon Leather is your one-stop shop and teacher for leather crafts, the first and final destination. And they have some pictures of different purses, but I'll actually show you on the website how easy it was to navigate the website and to find the bag that was of interest to me. And it also goes on in the brochure to say that it's 100% hand sewn. So this will be different for me. I'm excited. I'm going to actually turn on a book I've been listening to on Audible. So I think this is just going to be a perfect project for me. It's full grain leather. Yes, yes, yes. Quality hardware, step-by-step tutorial video, and all-inclusive materials and tools. I love when a kit arrives on your doorstep and it includes everything that you need. So in addition to the brochure, there is a shipping list. So in the shipping list, it tells me everything that's included here in the box. The leather tote kit, the pony pendant, that's a free gift. Silk scarves are a free gift as well here in my box. And then the positioning pin. So this is all new to me, so I'm going to be learning it. Okay, let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, I love it. Looks really great. So this is really cute. So I guess that will go on my bag once I've done constructing the bag. Really cute. And then there are some really pretty silk scarves also. I think would be great to adorn the bag once it's all done. I really love those colors. Really great. And then in here, there is an assortment of different little things. So that definitely is the strap. These are little snips, and there's some other things in there. So the needles that I will be using, the hardware, really pretty. Take a look at that. That's really pretty hardware. I like that. The thread, really nice. And I did choose a thread, a top stitching that would actually kind of stand out and not necessarily blend in the bag. You have the option that you can choose the thread that matches your leather, or you can go with one that provides a little bit of a contrast, and I wanted more of a contrast. So let me put this all in here. And these are some little tools. I'll figure out how they work. I don't want to lose any of this. Little screwdriver. A clip. Not sure. Oh, maybe that's to hold the leather together. And this must be maybe the bottom of the bag. I don't know. But we're going to find out. Okay. And then let's take a look. It smells. Let me just tell you that right away. It already smells amazing. I love the way that leather smells. Let me move the box out of the way. We don't need that. I love the way that leather smells, and this smells so good. Oh wow, the color's the right first thing that I noticed. The color of this bag is really, really pretty. So the bag that I chose is a large sack Plaid DIY. It's a tote bag, so you can drop a bunch of things in there, like your iPad, phone, different things that you need if you're running out to meetings or if you're traveling. And I thought this is such a gorgeous color. Wow, guys, look at that. That looks really, really nice. Let me just tell you how excited I am for this project. Look at the end piece on the zipper. That is gorgeous. And the holes are already I don't know if you say drilled, but they're already in the leather, so you don't have to worry about that. Oh, I wish that you guys could smell this. It smells so great, and the leather feels incredibly soft. I am really, really excited. Oh, and I'll figure out what these little doodads are along the way. I'm glad I touched that so I knew what was inside the bag. This must be the base of the bag, but I don't know. I'm going to be learning. These are probably gussets. Maybe that's the base of the bag. And this for sure is going to be the exterior of the bag. And again, you can see where the markings are already there, which will help make the construction really easy. Now, my understanding is that it really only takes a couple hours to fully construct the bag. So I am really excited to get into it. Before we get into pulling the bag all together, I did want to show you how incredibly easy it was to navigate their website and for me to decide upon this particular bag as my first project. Head over to babylonleather.com and you'll see a wide range of DIY leather bag kits. You can browse by new arrivals or explore all the styles. They have so many great options, it was honestly hard to choose. I knew I wanted something that could fit my iPad and headphones, whether I'm heading to a meeting or traveling. So I went with the large sack plaid bag. Once you click on it, you can pick your color, add it to your cart, and that's it. It shows up at your door with everything you need to make it. Super excited to get started. So I have my iPad over here and I've turned on the Babylon leather tutorial for the large sack plaid bag. All right, guys, let's get to it. This is where we are, and I think I did pretty well. Okay, so let me set that off to the side. I'm going to grab the side pieces. These are the side pieces. I think they call them gussets in bag making. I know that the curved edge is going to be the bottom of the bag, and then the top is this square piece is going to be at the top of the bag. I grabbed these two pieces that I found in the pocket when I was unboxing, and then two D-rings. And it goes a little bit like that. Well, a lot of it like that. And then again, there are pre-drilled holes already in the leather. If you're looking at the leather on the outside, the holes are always going to be larger, slightly larger. On the inside, you'll notice that the holes are smaller, and that's pretty much how you can differentiate the front, the exterior, and the inside of the bag. So at this point, the D-ring gets placed. The holes are there. It's going to be placed here. All right, so let me get busy. Coming along so nicely. That looks good. Look at that. Gorgeous. I love it. Now I need to go ahead and grab the two outer pieces. Look at how beautiful this leather is. And then the bottom piece. And what I need to do now is looking at the bottom of the bag. So this is the front bag and the front and the back of the bag. And remembering that the large holes are going to let me know that this is the outside of the bag versus the inside where we have the smaller holes. And I am going to add the bottom. So let me go ahead and thread up my needle. Making really great progress. And I am enjoying the entire experience. I really love this leather. It's so amazing. All right, so I'm almost done with stitching on the bottom of the bag. By the way, guys, I will drop a link below in the description, an affiliate link, and you can get a discount. And all you have to use is my first name, Bird. So I'll make sure to drop that. I'm super excited about this, excited about the next step in the process. I do really love the contrasting thread. Wow, look at that, guys. So this is the inside of the bag. This is the way that the outside of the bag is looking, and that's the bottom of the bag. And it really is coming together super nicely. Let me move the camera back and give you a little bit better visual. So there she is coming together. All right, let me tie this off, and then we'll move on to the next step. This is coming together so nicely. I have been taking my time working through the process. So one side is completely constructed, and I'm finishing up the second side currently as we speak. So let me give you a little bit of a sneak peek. Let me pull these through, give you a little bit of a peek to see where I am in the process. So the handles came out really nicely. This is the front or the back of the bag. This is the side of the bag, and it really is coming together nicely. Inside are the pockets. She is all done, and let me tell you guys, she is gorgeous and I love it. Let me show you the details. So I love all of the top stitching. It really has come together nicely. On the inside, you have, let me get the strap out of the way, but you have the zipper on the inside. Gorgeous hardware, by the way, guys. So you have that zipper, so you have a very secure bag. I love that. On the inside, you have these beautiful pockets. On the bottom of the bag, you have these really great feet so that you never mar the bottom of your leather bag when you're sitting it down. I love the hand straps. And then I really love this crossbody strap as well. So it is gorgeous. I also love this. So let me go ahead and put it on because I do like it. It's cute. Perfect size bag to hold my iPad, my water bottle, and other things, and I am good to go. Guys, I cannot tell you how much I am just so proud of myself. I love it, and I am totally sold. I love the hardware, I love the leather, I love how it came together. I enjoyed listening to a book the entire time. I am so happy. Well, thanks guys so much for joining me throughout the entire process. My name is Bert. If you have enjoyed this video, go ahead and please hit the subscribe and the like button. Stay tuned for more content. Bye-bye for now.